Hello internet world, and welcome to my review of the Amazon Echo Show 5. This is Amazon's smallest Echo Show with a 5.5 inch screen, and it's really destined to be a bedside table companion. I will be showing you this a little bit later on side by side with Amazon's larger Echo Show as well. Now this has got so many features built in. It's got a really nice intuitive menu system as well, where we can swipe down from the top. Here we can adjust brightness, put it into do not disturb mode, or indeed go into settings, where we can change so many different things, including perhaps device options, which gives us the option of changing the name, also the location, the wake word, date and time, etc. At any time we can swipe down on the top and go back to home, or we can tell it to go home by using the action word. Go home. There is also a quick access menu if we swipe from the right hand side here, and here we can go into communications, smart home, music, video, routines and alarms. We can also use these larger icons to discover things that we can do with this device. Now, if we do swipe out from the side here, we've got access to the likes of video. So if we go into video, this takes us into Amazon Prime. I was already watching something earlier, so we'll go into Amazon Originals and see what's available. And we've of course got the very popular Grand Tour, so we can tap on here. We can do this by voice as well and actually tell it to play the program via your voice.
Is that barrel gonna...
Alexa, stop. Go home. Go home. What's the weather like in London?
In London, it's 21 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect clouds and showers, with a high of 23 degrees and a low of 16 degrees.
Go home. So there you can see some of the really cool visuals that you get back on this 5.5 inch screen. I think the video quality is very good, and I thoroughly enjoy watching TV shows and movies on this device. Now we've also got some physical controls on the top that you saw me interacting with during that little demonstration. We've got a button here which actually mutes the microphones. We get a red line across the bottom, and this means that the device isn't listening to you. The actual microphones are positioned on the top, and then we've got the volume up and down. Now I was using these physical controls. We can adjust the volume via our voice as well. And then we've also got a physical shutter switch. This device does house a front-facing camera, and you can use this to communicate via video to other Amazon Alexa users, and you can do video calls with them. But if you want to actually physically turn that camera off, then you can do that with that shutter slider switch. I think that's a really nice addition to this particular model, because this, as I mentioned earlier, is more than likely going to sit on a bedside table, and people are concerned about privacy, so being able to physically turn the camera off and also turn the microphone off is a really good feature, and I'm really glad that Amazon included this. So now I'm showing you both the full-size Echo Show and the Echo Show 5 side by side. Both really good quality screens, but an obvious size difference as well. And I think that's okay, because I think they've got very different use case scenarios. I think the larger Echo Show is going to be more at home on a desk or perhaps a kitchen worktop, and the smaller Echo Show 5 is really good for a bedside table or perhaps a desk where you haven't got so much room. They both offer a very engaging experience, but if I was watching longer movies, obviously I would enjoy them more on the larger Echo Show. But for TV shows like this, This is absolutely superb, and I think they both offer up something very useful for a smart home device. So am I impressed with the Echo Show 5? Well, yes, I am. I love the design. It's just so cute. It looks superb on your bedside table or desk. I love the cloth grille. It is available in a black colour as well. This is the white with a grey cloth grille. Round on the back, we've got the input for the power supply, also micro USB and a 3.5mm auxiliary input as well. The speaker sounds extremely good, and I just love the user interface. It's very intuitive to use, and I do like the fact that you can interact with all of your smart home devices as well. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you want a really cool smart speaker with a screen built in that's not too big, then I can highly recommend the Echo Show 5. I've left links to where you can pick this up down in the video description. A big thank you to Amazon for making this video possible. If you enjoyed the video, of course, please do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in another video very soon.